So this bacon, or should I say these pork bellies, have been seasoning since the end of July. It was about 7/28. So I took 2 pork bellies, I cut both of them in half. I seasoned them 2 different ways, and like I said, I cut them in half. So these 3 halves over here were seasoned with coriander, with brown sugar, and with, let's see, what else did I put in there? Pepper. This one over here was seasoned with Chinese 5-spice, brown sugar, and pepper. And all 3 of them sat in their individual bags in the refrigerator until today, which is the 9th of August. So they were curing in there, and I flip them over and kind of move the spices around over time. And I pulled them out today, washed all the seasonings off, and all I put back on them was pepper. And for this guy over here, pepper and the Chinese 5-spice. For these 3 over here, it was coriander and pepper. So they're about to go on the smoker now, and they're going to sit on the smoker for a bit. And we'll check back in. So I have the pork bellies in. Again, I'd cut them in half. There were 2 pork bellies I cut in half. And I seasoned these 3 over here, these 3 halves, with what I like to use, coriander and pepper. The curing process had brown sugar in it. Sometimes I use maple syrup. This one here I've never done before, and that is the one that was seasoned with Chinese 5-spice. So that's a test. We'll see how it comes out. I will know either later today or tomorrow, because I will test them when it's all done. So these will be in for a few hours, getting up to temperature, and we'll keep checking back in. So these pork bellies should be done. Actually, they are done. And I took a peek at them just a little bit ago, and they are ready to go. And all I'm going to do with them now is they're going to chill. I'm going to let them get down to temperature. It'll be easier to slice them when I get them down to temperature. But I will cut these in half again, and they'll each go in some bags to be frozen, except for the ones that I'm going to use right away. I am going to test out the Chinese 5-spice and one of the others, just to see how they came out this time. So these 3 slabs of bacon are done, and I'm testing them out now. I was going to do it last night, but I'm not getting to it till just now. That's how they look when they're completed. And I've got both styles cooking up. We're going to see how they taste, and I'll let you know later. I will post the way, well, basically the curing method that I use at the bottom of the video, so take a look at that. I found it online somewhere.